Hey there, my name's Cole, and today we're going to be changing out this Gfci plug on my electrical pressure washer. And if you don't know already, Gfci plugs are designed to trip when a fault is detected. But sometimes they'll become faulty and they won't reset. It'll just keep tripping. So let me show you what I mean by that. So I'll hit test, and then hit reset, and you'll hear it trip immediately. So this one needs to be replaced. And if you're having difficulty locating a replacement, all you have to do is go to the plug, most likely the prong side. And if you look right here, it says 15 amps, 125 volts. So all I did is I went to the store and I found one that says 15 amps, 125 volts. And it's a super easy fix, guys. Let me show you how to do it. So there's two ways to go about this. You can either cut it off the plug and strip back the wires, or you can take these screws out of the plug and the wires are already exposed inside for you to drop into the new plug. And if you can't tell from this picture, this is the same exact plug. So this is just gonna be a drop-in replacement. Let's get these wires exposed and I'll show you how to drop it into the new plug. All right guys, so before we get everything reconnected, I wanna go over what each wire does and where it goes inside of this plug. The white wire is gonna be the load that goes in the silver terminal. The black is gonna be the line, and that's gonna go in the gold terminal. And if you have a green wire, which is the ground, it's gonna go in the green. Let's go ahead and get everything plugged in and I'll show you how to test it. All right guys, so as you can see, I have each wire going to the correct terminal. I have the black going to the gold, I have the white going to the silver, and all I have left to do is put this strap across the cable to keep everything situated. Don't forget that step. If you're pulling on your plug and stuff, you can disconnect things and you're not gonna have a good time. Let me go ahead and put this strap in, and I'm gonna put this back on and we'll test the plug. So I have my plug put all back together. Let's plug it in and test it. So as soon as you plug it in, the red light's gonna come on, and that means that it's ready to go, the appliance will work. And I'll show you that it'll turn on here. All right, so to test this, to make sure that it's working like it's supposed to, we're gonna hit test. That's gonna trip the circuit, and as you can see, the appliance is not gonna turn on. To reset it, you're gonna hit reset, and the appliance will work again. And that's how you know this plug's working correctly. So we're gonna hit reset, the light's gonna come on, the appliance works. And that's how you change a Gfci plug in your appliance, or in my case, my pressure washer. Make sure y'all are staying safe out there. If you have any questions about this install, go ahead and drop a comment below. I'll answer any of your questions. I'm usually pretty quick at answering comments. And make sure you subscribe to see more how-tos in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.